Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So yesterday I haven't uploaded the Java class, right? So today I will upload the Java class. So let us write the problem statement. So you have to print the pattern like this. Start, start, and so you have to print this pattern. So you have to print this pattern. So I hope you understand the problem statement. So you have to print 4 stars on first row and 4 stars on second row, and middle stars are 2, and there will be a space gap between each star. So how can we achieve it? Let us write the code. So import java dot util dot start. So I will take two variables. So I will take two variables. Scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot in. So intent is equal to sc dot next in. Intent is equal to sc dot next in. So now I will traverse on n. Int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. So, and so instead of I, we will write row. We'll write row. So it can be better to understand. So I'm writing row, and I will write if condition. If row is equal to 0, or row is equal to n, then I have to print the stars. Then I will have to print the star system dot println. So until n it will print, or else the else part I will simply print the system dot println star. And for int j is equal to 1, j less than m minus 2, j plus plus. System dot println space. Let's see what will happen. Let's stop on. And after that, I will do each time. So in the first column, it will check the first row and this last row, and we will print the 4 stars. And in the else block, we will print the first row. No, not first row. Like left row, and this is the right row. It will print the left row star, and it will print the right row star. So in between, I'm giving spaces. So I'm giving spaces. It will start from 1, and why I'm writing m minus 2? Because I have to ignore first row and the last row. That's why writing m minus 2. So yeah, let us run this program. So we call is necessary. Let's give 4 and 4. So I'm writing println. Take it up. Let's run this program again. Yes, friends. So we have written here row is equal to 0, right? So we are starting from 1. So how can we write 0? So we have to write 1. Why we have to write 1? Because the first row starts with 1 and the last row ends with n. So that's why we have to write row is equal to 1. So then only you will get the right output. And uh, we are starting from row is equal to 1 and row is equal to n, right? And in that we have to traverse I is equal to 0 to m, I is equal to 0 to m, and we have to print the stars, and we have not included this for loop. So that's the reason the row is not coming. The row is not coming. We know, right? So on row 1 we have to check if row 1 and row 2 are there. Yes, are there. So in the row 1, what we have to print? We have to print the line, right? Up to m. Up to m we have to write the print the m. So that's why I have written I is equal to 0 to m less than m, and I have printed the one for loop. When this for loop execute when row is equal to 1 and row is equal to n. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. And so, and after that, this for loop is completed. I hope you understand. When row is equal to, when this first row and last row, when this first row and last row comes, then this for loop executes, and each line the 4 stars will come. 0 to 4. I'm taking 4, right? 0 to 4 it will take. And after that, in the else part, I will do the left row star, and this is the right row star. This star is responsible for the left rows and this star is responsible for the right rows. So I hope you understand. And this gap is the space between the each star and each line after line, right? So for this, I'm writing this thing. So I hope you understand. So we should not write println. We have to write only print here, and this one also print only, and this one also print only. Not on the next line. On the same line only we have to print. On the same line only we have to print. So I hope you understand. If you don't understand, please comment in the chat. So let us run the program again. See what I did. So on the row 1, I'm checking. It's a row 1. So it's a row 1 and row n. So if row 1 comes, then we have to print the 4 stars. 0 to 4. 0 to less than 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So 4 times will be stars printed and stars will be printed. And else block will come. So then here the left row stars will print first row, and it will give some space, and it will give the another right rows here. So this statement belongs to the left rows, and this statement belongs to the right column. I hope you understand. So this is the space. This is the space. I hope you understand. I hope you Understand? Space. These are all space. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefit from the video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.